Where is LIFW going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on MSP Recovery stock? In the next 1 minute, I'm going to cover technical analysis, price predictions, forecasts, and outlooks on all LIFW. So let's get right into the sauce. Sitting at 2.2298, we can see that today we're up 46%, and this was not something new, right? Let me show you what was my overall analysis, right? At the start, as always, what do we do? Basically, this is me making the same exact kind of, not the same exact strategy, but I've been testing strategies for the last 3 years in 12,500 videos, close to 13,000 videos. And after testing it for a lot, all documented, basically I'm growing in public with this YouTube channel, sharing everything that has basically that is working with me. Seen a strategy working for me, right? So this strategy has gotten me like 400 plus wins in the last 7 months. And now that being said, I'm using that strategy. So what were my thoughts on LIFW? These were the most recent predictions that I made in my previous video, that I was definitely expecting the highs to get cleared, and this is exactly what happened. And now I'm actually expecting delivery to the lows. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely stick with that. This is what I basically said in my previous video and me following my strategy. So I'm expecting it to kind of right now, maybe it's kind of faded away and we could come even maybe a little bit higher, but overall, the higher time frame trend is definitely bearish and I'm expecting more delivery. This is just my perspective and opinion. And if you want to stay ahead of your competition, join the 550 plus subscribers to my newsletter. Okay, you'll get the most valuable tips and insights worth thousands of dollars every Sunday for free in your DM. And these are some of my posts, so make sure to check it out.